8 warning signs your kidneys are in danger. We are usually busy taking care of the body parts we can see than those we cannot see. Yet, this carefree attitude puts our health at risk of complications. An example of such a complication is chronic kidney disease, CKD, or renal disease. Chronic kidney disease accounts for 1.9% of the world's mortality rate. According to Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, in 2019, 254,028 people died from CKD. And this is from Pan American countries alone. This means at least 1 in 3 persons have issues with their kidneys. A recent report puts chronic kidney disease in the 12th position globally as the leading cause of death, and the rank is likely to rise despite advancements in modern medicine. Lack of awareness and delayed treatment often lead to chronic kidney disease. Hence, early detection and treatment can reduce the disease's prevalence rate. We have outlined 8 warning signs to watch out for to make you aware of the dangers associated with CKD. Following are the warning signs. 1. Excessive tiredness. One of the secondary functions of the kidney is the production of red blood cells. When the kidney fails to perform this task, it results in anemia. Anemia decreases the red blood cells, thus lowering the supply of nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, which stops cellular metabolism. A side effect of this anemia is severe fatigue, tiredness, and nausea. Further deterioration of the kidneys will lead to the corresponding degradation of other body systems, including the musculoskeletal system. Muscle cramps, reduced stamina, dizziness, memory loss, nausea, and bone pains are signs that your kidneys aren't what they used to be. 2. Change in urine pattern. One of the first signs of kidney problems is a sudden change in urine pattern. Chronic kidney problem causes frequent urination at night, less or more than before, a change of urine color to red or dark yellow, and constant feeling to urinate without doing so. You could also notice foamy, cloudy, or discolored urine, severe discomfort during urination, blood in urine. 3. Swelling. The kidney's primary function is the filtration of impurities and toxins from the blood. But when the function of the kidney is impaired, it cannot carry out this function. This results in the buildup of excess salt, toxins, and waste in the body tissues, causing swelling of the face, feet, hands, and legs. Further kidney degradation can result in water retention or water in the lungs, causing shortness of breath. 4. Loss of appetite. Renal disease can upset your stomach, leading to nausea and vomiting. This leads to low appetite, undernutrition, and weight loss in the affected patient. 5. Foul breath. Failure of the kidney to filter out waste causes a condition called uremia, which leads to a smell in the mouth. Also, the toxins in your bloodstream can cause food to have an off or metallic taste. 6. Stones in urine. If you or your family have a history of obesity or renal stone disease, you may be at risk. This disease is more prevalent in North India, with many people observing small stones in their urine. When left unchecked, these stones can become more frequent, leading to the onset of CKD. 7. Muscle cramps. Impaired kidney function can cause electrolyte imbalance. This is the condition where electrolytes such as calcium and phosphorus are insufficient. When this happens, it can cause muscle cramps. 8. Persistent puffiness of the eyes. When the kidney fails to filter toxins and proteins, these proteins make their way to the urine. Consistent puffiness of the eyes could mean the kidney is leaking proteins into the urine rather than storing them in the body. When to see a doctor? If you notice one or more of the listed signs, it could mean your kidney has been compromised, and you will need to see your primary care physician immediately, who will refer you to a nephrologist. This specialized kidney doctor will examine you, order a blood and urine test, make a diagnosis, and begin treatment. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.